What's good? Welcome back to the 2017 rewind of EvanEraTV and How to Magic. I am your host, Evan Era. It's New Year's Eve in Las Vegas. 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, guys! Alright guys, so happy 2018 from Las Vegas. 2017 was an absolutely crazy year. We did hundreds of magic tricks. Here are some of the best. Biggest video of 2017 was 6 fidget spinner magic tricks, which was trending in over 5 countries worldwide. We also did a lot of fun collaborations with other YouTubers. I'm made in America. Mr. Jay Sankey from Sankey Magic. Dennis Rohde from How to Prank It Up. What's up?
And which rap card trick?
But how did you know?
What was your favorite part of 2017, Ava?
All the trips we took.
Today we're here in historic London, England. Today I'm here in Pisa, Italy, in the Bermuda Triangle. I'm here in Boston, Massachusetts. We're in the Bahamas again. St. Thomas, baby, U.S. Virgin Islands. Paris, France, at the French Museum of Playing Cards. It's beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Did you want? Stop! A lot of funny pranks this year. A lot of them on me. I got him back a couple times. So stay tuned.
And of course, half the fun is getting to perform for all your friends and family. Go ahead and become a unicorn. We surpassed 1 million subscribers on YouTube. We just surpassed 1 million subscribers! Come on. Here we go. There it is. Woo! We also celebrated the 1-year anniversary of EvanEraTV.com and Laugh at Life. Thank you for helping us spread the magic all over the world. And I had the pleasure of meeting you guys, the Era Squad, in a lot of cool ways, in person, over the phone.
What?
I brought you some stuff. This is Evanera from YouTube.
Oh my god.
What's up, man? Merry Christmas.
Oh my god. That's pretty intense. Tell them what kind of a shirt you're wearing right now. I'm wearing the Laugh at Life shirt.
Dude, that's awesome. That makes my day.
Do you have anything you want to say to him? I can't believe this is happening.
Super cool meeting you guys. Stay tuned in 2018 for a lot more fan meetups on our world tour. So from here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada, I hope your 2017 was absolutely amazing. Thank you for being a part of our 2017 and making it so amazing, so magical. 2018 is about to be even better. Also, check out this house we're staying in here. It's got a chess set outside. So until next time, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video and you're ready for 2018, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you're excited for 2018. I hope that it is a year filled with laughter, love, and magic for you. It's your year, I have a feeling. I got a feeling about it. So until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.